In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive server encountered an error issue that you might have experienced. This error can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to access important files for work, school, or personal projects. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step with simple methods to resolve it quickly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage by typing drive.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, focus on the left-hand side of the URL bar. You'll notice a small icon that looks like a slider or a lock. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Site Settings. These settings give you control over how your browser interacts with Google Drive, allowing you to spot and fix potential configuration issues that could be causing the error. Inside Site Settings, look for the option to clear data or delete data. Click on it. This step removes any cached or stored data that might be interfering with Google Drive. Cached files are usually meant to speed up your browsing experience, but sometimes old or conflicting data can cause errors. After clearing the data, refresh your Google Drive page to see if the issue has been resolved. If clearing the site data doesn't fix the problem, we have another method. Go to the top right corner of your browser and click on the 3 vertical dots to open a menu. From here, navigate to Extensions, which opens a new tab listing all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Extensions can be very useful, but they occasionally interfere with sites like Google Drive. To troubleshoot, toggle off each extension one by one, refreshing Google Drive after disabling each one. This process of elimination helps identify if a particular extension is causing the conflict. Another tip, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version, as outdated browsers sometimes trigger errors. You can also try opening Google Drive in incognito mode or a different browser to see if the issue persists. If it works in a clean session, it confirms the problem is related to extensions, cached data, or browser settings. Remember, patience is key when resolving tech issues. Small adjustments can make a big difference. If the error still persists after trying these steps, consider contacting Google support for further assistance, or check their help forums for more specific solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the server encountered an error issue and get back to accessing your files smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips.